Hello everyone, this is Divya from IEEE third year. In this video, we are going to see about flow control and token ring network. Flow control. In a network, a sender sends the data and a receiver receives it. If suppose the sender sends the data with high speed, the data should not be received by the receiver. In this situation, flow control helps to overcome it. Flow control tells the sender how much data should be sent so that this data is not lost. In this mechanism, the sender will wait for an acknowledgement. The acknowledgement will be given by the receiver after receiving a frame. There are two ways of flow control. They are stop and wait protocol and sliding window protocol. Stop and wait protocol. In this, the sender will stop and wait for the acknowledgement from the receiver. It is the simplest flow control. Here, only one frame will be sent at a time. After getting acknowledgement from the receiver, the sender will send the next frame. In this diagram, frame 0 is sent and receiver is giving the acknowledgement. Then only frame 1 is sent by the sender. Suppose if any frame is not received, it is assumed to be lost. So that the receiver will not send any acknowledgement and sender will also wait for it. To avoid this deadlock situation, there is a timeout timer. In this, the sender will wait only for a fixed amount of time. If acknowledgement is not received until that time, it will be considered as lost. Advantages: it is simple, easy and accurate. Only one frame will be sent at the time, so it is acknowledged well. Disadvantages are it is a slow process. One frame can be sent, so it is inefficient and the process is slow. Sliding window protocol. It is a point-to-point protocol. In this, multiple packet can be sent by the sender without any acknowledgement. However, sender will send multiple frames, but the receiver take one by one and acknowledge it. In this diagram, 0, 1, 2, 3 frames are sent by the sender, and after that 0 is acknowledged, 1 is acknowledged by the receiver. This is known as sliding window protocol. Advantages: the performance is better and efficiency is increased. Multiple frames can be sent. Disadvantages: it is complex because of the transfer of multiple frames. IEEE 802.5. It stands for token ring network. In this token ring network, a token will be circulate around the ring. The ring is formed by the nodes connected. It is connected in a ring format. The ring in token ring network, the token is circulated in the ring, and which node grabs the token will have the right to transmit the data. When a station wants to transmit a frame, the token will be inverted and changed into a normal data packet. There is only one token surrounds around the ring, so there can be only one transmission at a time. Since the token rotates in the ring, every node will get the token in a time. This diagram depicts the token ring network. A token is circulate around all the network in a ring format. Here the problem is breakage. Whenever the ring cable breaks down, the ring network will goes down. By using a wire center, this problem can be resolved. Priority and reservation. Each station has a priority code, which by entering the priority code, the token may be reserved by the station. Time bounding. There is a time called token holding time. This is typically 10 milliseconds. Whichever station wants to transmit it, it will transmit before the token holding time. Otherwise, it should be handed to other station. Monitor station. The monitor station sets time. If the token does not regenerated in that time, it is assumed to be lost. Then it will generate a new token. If monitor fails, a second station is designated as backup station. Thank you all.